Summer is here. The most anticipated season of the year is finally here, bringing with it long days, bright sunshine, and lots of opportunities to have fun outdoors. It's time for fun and fitness. Let's enjoy every moment to move and feel good. Summer is perfect for outdoor activities, whether it's a run in the park, a yoga session on the beach, or dancing with friends. Let's dance our way to a healthier version of ourselves. Dancing is an amazing way to exercise because it combines movement, music, and joy. It doesn't matter if you're an experienced dancer or a beginner, the important thing is to have fun and move. This workout is pure energy. Let's move to the music and feel amazing. The group's energy is contagious and motivates us to do our best. Each step, each movement brings us closer to a healthier and happier version of ourselves. Get ready to sweat and smile. The combination of intense exercise and fun guarantees that you'll burn a lot of calories while having a blast. Sweat is just a sign that we're working hard and challenging ourselves. This workout is for everyone. No matter your fitness level, you can do it. Inclusion is key, and everyone is welcome to participate and benefit from the exercises. Together, we can achieve our fitness goals. We'll use simple dance moves. Don't worry if you don't know the steps. The important thing is to have fun and move. The simplicity of the movements allows everyone to follow along and enjoy the session. You'll burn calories and have a lot of fun. Dancing is an effective form of exercise that helps improve cardiovascular health, increase endurance, and release endorphins, which make us feel good. Ready to start? Let's go. Join us on this journey of fitness and fun. Let's move, sweat, and smile together, making the most of summer and everything it has to offer. Before we turn up the heat, let's warm up those muscles. Start with a light stationary jog. Get that circulation going. Next, shoulder rotations, forwards and backwards. Loosen those arms. Now let's stretch our legs. Gentle leg swings side to side. Feel the stretch. Finally, some trunk twists. Get ready to move. Warm up complete. Now the real fun begins. Our first workout block is all about rhythm. We're going to explore how music can transform our workout into a fun and energizing experience. Let's move to the sound of the music and feel the energy. Let the beat guide your movements and unleash all your energy. First, the grapevine step. Step to the side, step behind, step to the side, step behind. This is a classic move that helps improve coordination and agility. Easy and fun. Next, add some arm movements. Raise your arms, move them up and down, and feel your whole body get into the rhythm. Pump your arms with every step. Feel the burn. This movement not only increases the intensity of the workout, but also helps tone your arm muscles. Now let's try some boxing steps. Step forward, side, back, side. These boxing-inspired moves are great for improving strength and endurance. Keep that energy up. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. Let the music carry you and enjoy every moment of your workout. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun while exercising. Section 4. Turn up the heat. Ready for more? Let's increase the intensity. This block is about challenging ourselves. We'll combine movements for a bigger challenge. First, high knees with a twist. Feel your abs working. Next, jumping jacks with a clap. Engage those arms. Now let's try some burpees. A full body workout in a single move. Push yourself. You can do it. Section 5. The final push. Time for the final challenge. Let's give it our all. This is where we push ourselves to the limit and give our very best. Ready? Let's go. First, mountain climbers. Quick feet, engage those abs. Next, jump squats. Explosive power. Feel the burn in your legs. Finally, plank jacks. Hold that plank. Jump your feet. Push through the burn. You're almost there. Section 6, cool down and connect. We did it. Amazing work, everyone. You gave it your all, and now it's time to reap the rewards of that effort. Let's take this moment to reconnect and celebrate our achievements together. Now it's time to cool down. Let's stretch those muscles. Stretching is essential to prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Feel each movement and let your body recover. Reach for your toes, hold, feel the relaxation, hold for a few seconds and breathe deeply. This helps release built-up tension. Side stretches, one arm at a time. Take a deep breath. Each breath should be slow and controlled, allowing your body to calm down and recover. Give yourselves a round of applause. You deserve this recognition. Every drop of sweat was worth it. You pushed yourselves and had fun doing it. The fitness journey is more enjoyable when shared with friends. Share your energy with the group. A round of applause for everyone. Positive energy is contagious and motivates everyone to keep going. Remember, fitness is about community and support. Together we are stronger and can achieve any goal. Keep moving, keep connecting, and keep having fun. Section 7. Keep the energy flowing. Congratulations on completing this amazing summer cardio workout. You danced, you sweated, you conquered. Remember to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Keep that energy high. This is just the beginning. Keep moving, keep dancing, keep having fun. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride and celebrate your progress. You got this.